Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Saga token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Saga is a Cosmos-based layer 1 blockchain protocol that enables developer to launch dedicated scalable applications. Specific blockchains called chainlets. Chainlets architecture. Chain-link architecture. It provides infinite horizontal scalability by allowing developers to sign up parallel interoperable private chains with dedicated resources, shared security and interoperability. Each chainlet inherits security from Saga main validator set and connects to other chains via the inner blockchain communication IBC protocol. Integrated DeFi ecosystem. The protocol natively supports a velocity DeFi stack, including stablecoin and liquidity layers, aiming for seamless composability. Saga project institution rating is 4.1. Saga token total supply is 1.09 billion and circulating supply is around 392.16 million Saga token. Saga token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Gate.io, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.